Difference between SI and C engine. Spark ignition, SI, engine. Compression ignition, CI, engine. A spark ignition engine is an internal combustion engine, generally a petrol engine, where the combustion process of the air-fuel mixture is ignited by a spark from a spark plug. This is in contrast to compression ignition engines, typically diesel engines, where the heat generated from compression together with the injection of fuel is enough to initiate the combustion process without needing any external spark. The diesel engine, also known as a compression ignition, named after Rudolf Diesel, is an internal combustion engine, in which ignition of the fuel is caused by the elevated temperature of the air in the cylinder due to the mechanical compression, adiabatic compression. This contrasts with spark ignition engines, such as a petrol engine or gas engine, which use a spark plug to ignite an air-fuel mixture. Otto cycle. Diesel cycle. Five to 1, intake stroke, gasoline vapor and air, drawn into engine. 1 to 2, compression stroke, temperature increase. 2 to 3, combustion or spark, short time, essentially constant volume. Model, heat absorbed from a series of reservoirs, at temperatures T2 to T3. 3 to 4, power stroke, expansion. Valve exhaust, valve opens, gas escapes. 4 to 1, model, rejection of heat to series of reservoirs, at temperatures T4 to T1. 1 to 5, exhaust stroke. Piston pushes remaining combustion products out of chamber. The diesel cycle is a compression ignition engine. Fuel is sprayed into the cylinder at $P_$2, high pressure. When the compression is complete, and there is ignition without a spark, this cycle can operate with a higher compression ratio than the Otto cycle, because only air is compressed, and there is no risk of auto-ignition of the fuel. Although for a given compression ratio, the Otto cycle has higher efficiency, because the diesel engine can be operated to higher compression ratio. The engine can actually have higher efficiency than an Otto cycle when both are operated at compression ratios that might be achieved in practice. Merits and demerits. Spark ignition, SI. Compression ignition, CI. Otto cycle is employed in petrol engine. Otto cycle is more efficient for a given compression ratio. Operating speed is more, speed range is 3,000 to 6,000 revolutions per minute. Starting is easy, since cranking effort required is less. Initial cost and maintenance cost are less, produces less noise. Weight per unit power is less. Specific fuel consumption is more. The fuel used is petrol. It is costlier than diesel. It is volatile, and fire hazard is more. Diesel engines works on diesel cycle. Diesel cycle is less efficient than Otto cycle for a given compression ratio. Operating speed is less. Speed range is 400 to 3,500 revolutions per minute. Starting is difficult, since more cranking effort is required. More initial and maintenance costs, since the construction is heavy and sturdy. Produces more noise. Weight per unit power is more. Specific fuel consumption is less. The fuel used is diesel. It is cheaper than petrol. It is less volatile, and fire hazard is less.